Okay, this is just a quick demonstration of how to attach your blade to the end of your attachment. The first thing we need to do is remove the split pin. We can do this with a piece of pliers. We just need to make sure that these two are together, and then it can easily be pulled through the hole. Okay. Now on one side you'll find a hole. We want to find that hole and then find the inner hole, which is on the inner part. And if we turn this slightly, you'll find that they both align up together. And we slot the Allen key, which is in the toolkit, through into the inner hole. And this stops this part moving so we can get the nut off. Okay. You find your socket, which goes over the nut, your screwdriver, which can be placed right through and then turned clockwise to take the nut off. Okay, once the nut is off, remove this part and the female flange. Okay, so now we've just got the male flange on. Pick up the blade, put this on top, and it'll fit exactly on top of the grooves. Place the female flange back on. Just notice which way that's on. That's with the smooth side facing up. The flange cover. Now we can screw the nut back on anti-clockwise. And to do that up tightly, we can place the screwdriver back through, turn it, get the split pin and put that back through the hole. We want to pull that apart so then that nut can never come off while in use. Okay, it's ready to go.